Welcome you all. Now we are going to discuss about how to enter data in Jamovi. We can enter the data in Jamovi in two ways. First, let us discuss about how to enter data in a straight method. So here we have an screen like an Excel sheet. Straight away we can enter the data in these columns like Excel sheet, and we can change these names also. Go to data, click setup. Here I can write gender. Gender is an nominal variable, so you can description, you can write again gender of the respondent, gender of the respondents, or gender of the sample. Then come to B. For example, you can take age. Here also age. Likewise we can enter one by one. So click this. Here we can enter our data like 1 2 1 2 1 like that. Age also you can give. So this method we can directly enter the data in Jamovi dataset. This is one method. The second method is just I delete this data. For delete, you can select and just click this delete. You can delete all these columns. Delete. Now second method. Now I already entered data in Excel sheet. This data is going to be exported in Jamovi. So this is a data. I'm having data of shopping behavior of the respondents. So this is my data. Already I'm having in Excel. I'm going to import this data in a Jamovi. Let us discuss how to import the data in Jamovi. Just you close this. Again go to Jamovi. Now just click this and click import button. Then here we want to select where our file is located. Now our file is located in desktop, so just click shopping data, then open. Now the data is imported. All the data is imported here. Now go to data, click setup. So infrastructure is this is an scale data. Here all the data are showing nominal. Now you would like to change. Infrastructure is an scale data. It is ordinal. The next one is this also 5-point scale. So ordinal, relaxation, this also ordinal, time saving, ordinal, I'm changing my scale. This will be useful for analyzing the data to know what type of data it is. So all these data are ordinal scale data. So these are ordinal data. The remaining data are nominal data. So now you click this. Now we would like to see how to calculate descriptive statistics and frequency table for these variables. Now I would like to calculate descriptive statistics for all this nominal data. Go to extraction, go to analyze and click extraction, click descriptives. Now we have this new window. In this we want to move these nominal data variables to this column. So here you select one by one or press control button and select the variables and move here. Using this key you can move the variable from this side to this side. Now we got descriptive statistics. Just you see here, number of variables 350. We can able to see is there any missing value. As of now all these are 0, so no missing value. Also we got mean, median, standard deviation. Now we want to find out frequency value for all these values. Just you click frequency tables, we can get frequency table for all these variables: age, education, qualification, marital status. Suppose you want to draw any plots or diagram, go to plots, click this plot. Here we have different type of diagram format. You can select anyone. Now I would like to draw a bar diagram for all these variables. I click bar diagram. Once you click, you can get the diagram. So this is the diagram we got. So this way simply we can calculate descriptive statistics, frequency and plots. This is very easier method compared to SPSS and other statistical tools. Thank you for watching.